Vykdant šį projektą ieškojome ryšių ir bendradarbiavimo. Mus surado, pasiūlė bendradarbiauti ir apipylė dovanomis Ina and Michael Rogaci fondas. Šiandien bibliotekoje svečiuojasi šio fondo prezidentė, ponia Ina Rogaci.
Thank you very much for coming, and it's a big pleasure to us to see you all. We came from Finland. It's a very short distance, but we came especially. And it's a very remarkable beginning of Shabbat, which starts in an hour. So thank you very much for those who planned it. And before I'll go with my speech, I will give a floor to my husband, an artist Michael Rogaci, whose painting dedicated specifically for this gallery is hanged on that room. So, floor is yours.
Okay. The name of this piece is in Yiddish sound, and it's like musical symbolism because of rose. In Jewish tradition, rose symbolize strength and beauty, and also in Talmudic literature, rose symbolizes a book, a Torah, beauty and strength of Torah. That's it. And
You wanted to say that Yiddish?
yeah, I heard that Yiddish sound to find home here. That's it. Yeah, of course.
I think I will be very quick, but I would like to speak. Okay, anyway, I'll make it. I think that as Zilvinas Bieliauskas mentioned many times, it's pretty much a lot of coincidences. I think he's a very romantic man, and yes, there are coincidences, but there are coincidences and coincidences which ought to be happening, and this is the case. There are several things. First of all, library as library, not electronic way of it. It's a gem and pearl and treasure of people of my generation, and I hope for people of generations which come in after us. I'm a writer, and it's very important to me and to my family. So I think this is one of the things which is incredible, that we celebrate a book. And thank you very much for that, and for Elvira Weimann, you're brilliant. Then there is a statement by the government, which is also a personal. So if you can figure a government which gives personal statement, this is this government. So I do really thank very much Minister of Culture and Prime Minister and anyone who works in this government and same us, because I'm advising European Union. I honestly don't know any other initiative by the state for creating, in the midst of the crisis, anything like that. So that's remarkable, and that's a mark, and you would be all remembered for that, that's for sure. Thirdly, I think that's remarkable people, and Lithuania and Vilnius is lucky with people like Mr. Zurlis and like Mr. Bieliauskas and everybody who works here, because I think they're very special, and I think we're all lucky with them. And to Jewish heart, as mine is, and to very fierce Gaonist, as I am and my husband are, it's remarkable that all this happening now in 21st century just stones away from Gaon's place, and for that it's really something very special. Now, I also am art photographer, and I created a collection of art photos, and they are here and there and there. So they all donated to the library, and I'm very glad to donate it here. And also I made a catalog of it, which model I also donate to the library in order to print it in whatever million copies you would like to do. So it's our gift, and we are very happy to support it, and we will continue it. And thank you very much for coming.
Thank you.